Dear Rough Riders, parents and guardians, my name is Dr. Milosavljevic, and I am the proud principal of the prestigious California Military Institute, the best military institute in the state of California. And it is my honor to welcome you to our 2021 CMI Open House. I want to thank you for your support, love, and care that you have shown over the past year. Working together, we have been able to ensure that our students remain focused, keep learning, and keep succeeding. Now, I can hear some of you asking, what makes CMI the best? Well, I will tell you, we have 100% graduation rate. We have the highest attendance in the district. We have the lowest suspension rate in the district and the highest FAFSA completion rate. Our students go to military, career, or some of the best colleges in the country. We are 100% dedicated to their success. In addition, we help them become leaders who exemplify good character, integrity, and grit. What makes CMI the best is a combination of best parents, best students, and best teachers and staff. Tonight, you will get to meet your child's teachers. You will see why they are the best and most caring and compassionate teachers you will ever meet. Feel free to ask them questions. You may have and connect with them. They're happy to serve you and partner with you. I almost forgot. Welcome to our brand new $13 million gymnasium built just for our students. We can't wait to see you here, cheering them on as they represent CMI. Enjoy the rest of the open house. We can't wait to see you all in person. And as we say here at CMI, go Rough Riders!